Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're going to be removing the front bumper from the Subaru Crosstrek. First thing we're going to do is to remove the 10mm bolts. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In order to pop these up, you just kind of put a screwdriver underneath this to pop this pin up. And then when it pops up, you can just, there we go, that's one. Prop the pin up. There we go. So we just separated the top of the grille. See, it's already flopping out. So this is good.
Okay, go.
All right, so now that we got the clips on top, we're gonna go ahead and remove the ones on the side. Same concept. Just come to the side and push these out, and they should pop right out. 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna just get a prying tool in there. Pop one out. 2, 3. So now that's separated the bumper itself from all the inner lining. Now we're under and we're gonna remove all the clips on the bottom. So same thing, pop these out. Now that we removed all the clips and bolts on top, the clips on the side and all the clips on the bottom, we can just peel back the bumper. And now you just remove the front fascia. There's two things that I can see here. There's 2 harnesses for the fog lights. We're just going to press on them and remove them. And just press it and remove it. And this is how you remove the front bumper from the Subaru Crosstrek. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something. Stay tuned, we're going to install some M&R 30-inch light bars. Thank you guys for watching.